Pretty awesome day in the market. NAMO still has this very bullish setup, still has some room to go. Would not be surprised if we indeed go and hit that top of the collar right there. Then it remains to be seen, do we go all the way up to the roll? I'm expecting the path to be something like this. Now in the next day and a half, be very careful about IV on your contracts. I'm sure you saw on SPY today, contracts move like total ass, and that is to be expected. Personally, I won't enter with size. I might, play either way for the announcement. I don't think the Fed goes with what the Democrats wanted today, which was 75 basis points. There's no reason to. Definitely 25, maybe 50. I'm more interested in Powell's rhetoric about going forward. Now, holding some TLT, probably wanted into here. Okay, and I'm just gonna put this out there. There's a huge risk that this keeps coming down with this. Okay, if the stock market doesn't react positively to that and reap to absolute new highs, it is very bad. That means we're front running a major recession, which is already here. But don't worry, AI to the rescue. Now, major Dixie Bear flag wants to absolutely puke. This wants to puke. That's why I'm in TLT. First of all, okay, KRE. This will probably be your best bet for juice to the upside if the move is to the upside on FOMC. Look to this to put in 60. Okay, so we took 211 on the swing and then another 60 points on it or whatever. Gonna be in and out of this tomorrow. Now, with that said, keep an eye on financials. If this move is down, JPM is going to absolutely drill. Now, as you can see, usually it likes full moons. We got full moon tomorrow, so let's see if we get a move. But this is going to be moving. It's now based for 4 days. This will be moving very soon. Whether it's down or up remains to be seen. Here you see top of the collar already showing on the GEX, but also that gap fill down there. Perfect world, we go up, then crater, come get the whales down here and continue to huge highs over the next few months. Okay, Bitcoin, I sold Coinbase today after scalping it. Looks pretty ugly. Okay, now the interesting thing, I posted VIX, rejected that trend line. That's the mother of all trend lines, right? Has one gap here, showcased with these awesome arrows. All right, looking for these to possibly fill tomorrow on retail numbers. Why are these retail numbers important? Well, I'm playing some target, took some off, but after selling for like 2.5 weeks, last time we got retail numbers, he did that type of move. Still has a decent setup. Retail numbers need to be good, but not too good. If they're too good, that means Fed is not gonna cut as much, right? They want people to absolutely hurt because they're assholes and their bad economic policies have gotten us into this mess, but we gotta pay the price. Awesome system. Anyways, my main play going into end of week is not only am I waiting, I've been waiting for months now for this 555 ghost candle to fill. Looks like we could be on our way, but this Apple play here, we're downgraded, gap down. SPY actually closed green even with Apple and Nvidia down. So hopefully Apple doesn't move until Powell speaks, because I'm going to take cheap 220 calls and ride them into the money and go gap fill. That's my plan, at least for Wednesday going into Thursday. Other names I'm looking at, obviously because the rate sensitive, are UPST. Now we played this, we got a little bit unlucky. Who knew that there was going to be an offering, but we did play it from down here up to there, so got the money back at least, and some, so that was good. Spoke with Todd, he's looking at Dollar Tree actually all the way down at COVID lows, sitting on a move, and to the downside we were talking about CrowdStrike. MSTR had an offering as well, so lots of movement going on. So for me, obviously SPY, Apple, Meta, and KRE, possibly UPST. Those are on my radar. Please be careful, okay? You don't need to put a lot of risk. Starting Wednesday, the moves are going to be crazy. So watch out tomorrow for classic IV chop. Now, tomorrow, if tomorrow's early high is a sell day, you get low in the final hour. So look midday again to see if we repeat today's pattern. Gonna look like that, and then you can maybe grab some Wednesday calls because they are making sure all 0 DTs are chewed up. Thank you guys. I'll see you tomorrow. And as a reminder, I'm gonna have to leave a little bit early tomorrow, just so you know. God bless. 200% on the right. Boom! Keep going. We're trying to move, baby.
$776 billion. Couple contracts, the old contracts on that. $76 billion in a row.